Namaste, this is Maulya, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, 6th SEM from the Department of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence. Today I'm going to present about the topic Data Warehousing Process Overview, which comes under the subject Business Intelligence. In a simplified words, we can say that this data warehousing it is a repository that allows you to store all your semi-structured and structured data at any scale. It is very important in the business intelligence because it provides the historical, current and the future view, and it combines data from multiple sources. There are some key features of this data warehousing. Those are subject oriented, integrated, time variant and non-volatile. In the subject oriented, it organized around a key subjects like customer, sales, products, etc. rather than application and the process. In the integrated key feature, we will know how it combines data from different sources into a coherent store. Time variant is nothing but it contains the historical data to analyze the future. Non-volatile is nothing but the data is very stable in the data warehouse. Once it is entered, it cannot be deleted, it cannot be altered and it cannot be changed. The data warehousing architecture, it includes the source system, extract, transform, load process, data warehouse and the diagram elements. In the source system, we will know the origin of the data. Example, CRM system, ERP system, flat files, external data sources. In the extract, transform, load process, we will know how to collect the data from the source system, cleaning and converting the data into the suitable format, how the computer takes it, and inserting the transformed data into the data warehouse. In the data warehouse, we will see a central repository for storing the integrated data, structured for query and the analysis of the data. In the diagram elements, we come across the source system, ETL process, data warehouse, data marts, and the front-end tools. So moving on to the source system. What is source system? Source system are the original system that generate and hold the data used in the data warehouse. We will take an example of a customer relationship management, enterprise resource planning, and the flat files and the external data stores. In the customer relationship management system, we track the customer interaction and the sales. In the enterprise resource planning, it manages the business process across an organization. In the flat files, simple data files such as CSV file and the Excel file are stored. In the external data sources, data from the third party providers, web service and the APIs. So role in data warehousing is that the data origin, data extraction and the data quality. These are important in data warehousing. That is, the source system are the starting point of the data that will be integrated into the data warehousing. After that, the ETL process starts. Then the data extraction, that is, data is extracted from this system during the ETL process, that is extract, transform and the load process. Data quality need to be checked, ensuring that the data accuracy, consistency and security for crucial these are crucial for reliable analytics. Now let's discuss the types of data, that is structured data, semi-structured data and the unstructured data. In the structured data, we come across the customer records and the transaction details. That is the data that is organized in a fixed format. In the semi-structured data, we come across the emails and the log files, which means that the data does not conform to a rigid structure, but it contains a tags or markers to separate the elements, for example XML. In the unstructured data, we come across the social media posts and the videos, which means the data that has no predefined format or organization. For example, the text documents and the multimedias. After the source system, we will discuss about the extract, transform and the load process. In the extract process, we collect the data from the source system. The purpose of this is to gather the data from the various source system. The process is to connect to the source system, retrieve the relevant data, ensure data accuracy and completeness during the extraction. It is very important. Next, the challenges we face are handling different data formats, ensuring the minimal impact on the source system performance. Next, moving on to the transform. Transform is cleaning and converting the data into the suitable format. We can convert it to the suitable format in which we need. So the purpose is to convert the extracted data into the format suitable for the analysis. Next, the process is to remove the errors, duplicates and inconsistencies and apply the business rules, aggregate data and the standardized formats. It should be in the same format. And enhancing the data quality by adding the derived values. The challenges faced are handling complex transformation and maintaining the data quality. It is the challenge we face in the process. The future trends in the data warehousing is the cloud data warehouse. The overview of this is that the cloud-based data warehousing service, it provides a scalable, flexible and cost-effective solutions. It eliminates the need for on-premises infrastructure and the maintenance. The examples are the AWS Redshift, Google BigQuery and the Snowflake. In the AWS Redshift, it is fully managed scalable data warehouse service by Amazon Web Services. In the Google BigQuery, serverless, high scalable and cost effective multi-cloud data warehouse by Google. In the Snowflakes, cloud native data warehousing solution that offers the architecture for separating the storage and the compute. Next is the real-time data warehousing. The overview of this is it supports the ingestion, processing and analysis of data as soon as it's generated. In the technology, we can come across a stream processing framework and in-memory databases. And next comes the big data integration. The overview of this, it combines data warehousing with big data technologies to handle massive volumes of diverse data. And it enables the advanced data analytics and insights from a structured, semi-structured and unstructured data sources. In the technologies, we can come across the Hadoop ecosystem and the NoSQL database and the data lakes. In this presentation, we understood the concept of data warehouse and the core components. It includes the source system as discussed the extract, transform and load process, the data warehouse itself and the front-end tools. They play a vital role in data extraction and quality assurance, handling structured, semi-structured and the unstructured data. In summary, it captures the essential components and processes of data warehousing, highlighting its importance in the business intelligence and to know the future trends of this data warehouse. Thank you.